Hi, my name is Fee Taylor. I'm from Fee Taylor Fitness and Leaps and Bounds Children's Fitness Centre. In 2009, I developed the Children's Health and Wellbeing Expo here on the Gold Coast. In 2009, we had a mere 16 exhibitors and about 500 people through the door. 2010 saw us move to Broadbeach, doubling our numbers but bringing 2,500 people through the door, and I'm very excited to say in 2011, 70 exhibitors and just under 5,000 people through the door on the day. I've planned the expo to attract families and carers, teachers, anyone who's looking after children's health and wellbeing. It's very global in that it includes all sorts of arrays of exercise, nutrition, superfoods, health as far as chiropractic, Harmony Vision Care, our major sponsors have been there involved for 3 years now. And that's the other thing, we keep getting the same exhibitors back and back and back because they love what we're doing, they love how it's growing. We're bringing more and more families through, but as I said, the teachers and the caretakers of kids are also coming through to the expo, which is great to see. Varsity is a very central part of the Gold Coast. It brings people from both the northern and the southern end, and it's also very close to the M1, so great access for people coming down from Brisbane. Predominantly, our exhibitors are local Gold Coast businesses. Starting right from our outdoor entertainment and our barbecues with organic sausages from Ray Organics. Outdoors, there was an array of activities too, including exhibitors from Jumpstart Tennis. So outside, we had a great big area with lots of things going on, entertainment, dance troupes coming and going. We had jumping castles, we had a fantastic puppet show that the kids absolutely adored. So lots of things going on outside on the oval, face painting, all sorts of bits and pieces. We also had people who provide services just for newborns, which was fantastic inclusion in the 2011 Expo. I met Jo Kane from Breeze Events at a Women's Networking Association luncheon, and Jo and I just clicked straight away. She also has a passion for kids and for children's health and wellbeing, an organic grower herself in her own backyard, so it really clicked. It's great to have an events manager on board for the first time. Certainly took some of the pressure off such a huge event, and Jo did a great job helping me to get this to the state that it was in for 2011. Very, very impressive. As we came into the expo, everyone was registering, lining up was moved very smoothly. They received their expo bag and entered into the exhibitors hall, which flowed around to visit the 50 exhibitors that were inside the hall. Traffic flowed quite nicely and then flowed out onto the outdoor area where we had another 20 activities and exhibitors outside. So traffic flow was great, plenty of room for the prams and for families to move around. As I said, it's quite an open expo, it's not a closed-in expo. People are, can see each other, and which is very important to me as the director to make sure that it's very family friendly. The ethos of the expo is to make sure that it's a very open forum and that there's plenty of space, so parents aren't locked into little corners talking to exhibitors and can't see the kids. We had the reading corner set up from Gold Coast City Council Libraries, so kids were quite happy and safe in that area while parents could interact with exhibitors, which was really important. Leaps and Bounds and Fee Taylor Fitness have been a contractor to the active and healthy providers for the last 4 years. And when I started the expo, I went and saw the ladies at the Gold Coast City Council in the Active and Healthy branch and just let them know what I was doing. Very excited to be involved. They jumped on board straight away, and so they have been our major sponsor for the last 3 years, and I really couldn't do it without their support. They really do help spread the word and get the information out to all our exhibitors. Help with feedback in relation to websites and setting up all our Facebook pages, and they really have been a pillar of strength to ensure that the expo keeps going. And as I've said, the expo has just grown and grown and grown, and every year we kind of outgrow our venue, which is very exciting. So 2012 expo looks to be absolutely massive.